Snapchat Plus features 2026 complete review and explained. Hello everyone. Before we begin, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more social media updates and honest tech explanations. Today we're diving into Snapchat Plus features in 2026. What's included, what's useful, and whether it's worth your money. Let's start with what Snapchat Plus actually is. Snapchat Plus is a subscription plan that gives you access to exclusive features and experimental tools that aren't available to regular users. It's optional, and you can cancel anytime. Now let's go through the top features one by one. 1. Best Friends Pinning. Plus members can pin their best friend or Snap contact to the top of their chat list. This makes it easy to stay connected with your closest contacts. 2. Story Rewatch Indicator. Snapchat Plus shows how many times you've rewatched a friend's story. This gives you extra insight into your story interactions. 3. Custom app icons. You can choose different Snapchat icons on your home screen, colorful or themed icons that aren't available to regular users. 4. Birthday Countdown. Add a countdown timer for your friends' birthdays directly in the app, a handy way to track upcoming celebrations. 5. Story Boosts. Priority story views. Plus, subscribers sometimes get priority delivery on stories, meaning your stories may be shown more often to your friends. 6. Snapchat Badges. Snapchat places a Plus badge on your profile, showing others that you're a Plus member. 7. Advanced Snap Map features. Some Snapchat Plus users get enhanced location features on the Snap Map, like Ghost Trail or Heat Map Insights. Number 8. Custom status emojis or Astro Insights. Snapchat Plus often includes fun extras like custom status emojis or options tied to your Bitmoji or astrology sections. Now let's talk about 2026 updates. A. Exclusive Bitmoji elements. In 2026, Snapchat expanded Plus to include new Bitmoji outfits, animations, and interactions available only to subscribers. B. Music integration tools. Plus members may see advanced music tools when creating snaps or spotlight content, like preview tools, extra tracks, or editing options. C. Priority support and feature access. Snapchat continues to give Plus users early access to experimental features before they roll out to all users. Is it worth subscribing? That depends on what you use Snapchat for. If you love customization and personalization, Snapchat Plus gives you extra tools to express yourself. If you enjoy staying closer with a few friends, features like best friend pinning and story boosts can help. If you're a casual user, many Plus features are fun, but not essential. Pro tip: try Snapchat Plus for a month first. See if you use the features. If it adds value to your everyday Snapchat experience, then keep it. If not, you can cancel before the next billing cycle. That's it. Now you know the top Snapchat Plus features in 2026 and what they really do. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and comment below. Snapchat Plus.